Diapers Bird Boutique would like to show you our fabulous Flyper Mini. We believe that the Flyper Mini is the most comfortable bird diaper that a bird can use. Let me take you through the features of this lovely little product. Firstly, it is made of stretch fabric, so it's a lot more comfortable. The straps are made of a lycra, very stretchy, soft fabric as well. And we have two sliders on the straps where we can adjust to fit the bird beautifully. In order to demonstrate how the Flyper Mini works, we'll first take you through the features of the Mini, and then we will show you a demonstration on how easy it is to fit your bird in this bird diaper. Firstly, we have a double lock strap at the back made from industrial Velcro, which is very strong. We have a strap that goes over the bird's head, attaches to the Velcro, the other Velcro over the top, and then the lock strap which secures the Velcro and keeps it in place so that it doesn't pull out, and it attaches like that. What one does is one takes half a lady's panty liner and you insert it into the poop pouch. And you turn the Mini the right way around. Please note that we have a waterproofing lining inside the Mini, and this alleviates stains and wet patches coming through onto the front of the Flyper. We normally leave the Flyper on the bird for about 2 to 3 hours, and then what one does is one removes the panty liner and inserts a clean one. It's normally not even necessary to change the actual Flyper a couple of times a day, because the waterproofing prevents staining going through it, and the poop pouch hangs very low from the bird's vent, so the poop doesn't touch the feathers of the bird. So what one does is one puts the bird's head through there, attaches the Velcro, attaches the other side, lock strap, and you can see that the Flyper Mini has an open front and an open back design. There's no need to pull the wings of the bird when putting this on the bird, and there's maximum space for unrestricted flight and movement. All in all, it's a very comfortable design for the bird. Because the Flyper Mini does not have a bib, it is impossible for the bird to catch its toes. So if you do happen to buy a size or a half size too big, it's not a problem. The bird will not catch its toes or trip. We have a slider in the front which can adjust up, and a slider at the back which can adjust and pick up the slack so that it will fit your bird. The Flyper Mini also has a ring, a leash ring at the back where you can attach your leash to, so the Flyper Mini can also be used for harnessing purposes. All in all, we feel that this is our top product and is definitely worth a try if you want comfort for your bird. Our beautiful little pigeon Holly is going to demonstrate the Flyper Mini to you. She wears Flyper Minis all the time and is very comfortable in them. So I found the easiest way to do it is if I put Holly on my lap, hold her with my hand, take the Flyper Mini with the other hand, pop it over her head, hold her. Now the Mini has to go on behind the wing and behind the legs, and we close the little Velcro. Don't forget we have the panty liner in there as well. Shut the other Velcro, put the lock strap over it. We can adjust our sliders at this point to either make the straps looser or tighter. And there we have Holly in her Flyper Mini with a little leash ring at the back where you can actually attach the leash. Holly, show us how you can fly with this lovely Mini. Off you go. Off you go.